Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. And then in this tutorial video guys, we will create a calculator program using C# programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters to my channel. Thank you for watching my videos, leaving a comment, suggestion, and most importantly by sharing my videos to others. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. I would like to mention a good friend of mine, close friend, as a fellow software engineer and contributor to my channel, Tom, who helped me out in this program. Tom is a software engineer specialized in C#, C, C++, and Java programming. Thank you very much, Tom, for always helping my channel. So here basically I'm using Visual C# 2010 Express Edition, and the code will work in modern version of Visual Studio. So we have here the class program, try, run, and then if there is an error, it will display the following error occurs: exception handling, console read key, private void run. So here we are asking the user the title of program, console write calculator in C#. We are asking the user to give first and second number, first num, second number, and then operator. So here do calculation, first, second, and operator, result, and a program. In this method here, calculation, we have three passing parameters: the first num, the second num, and then the operator. Using switch statement, switch off, plus sign, we add the sum of first and second number. Minus sign, we do some subtraction in first and second number. The third operator is multiplication. First num and second num we multiply, and then we divide. If the second number is 0, it will display cannot divide by 0, else the first num divide our second num, and then default illegal operator if not belong in the group. And then read private int, read int, prompt asking the user to give a number here. Okay, parse input. I will put a link in the video description guys, so that you can download the complete source code for free in my website. Okay, let us run the code. Let's say first number we have 6, second number, and then the third operator is unknown. For example, ampersand. Okay, illegal operand, there is an error. Okay, let us run again. First number we have 6, second number we have 4, and then plus operator, the result is 10. So addition, 6 plus 4 is 10, and a program. Another example, let's say we have 9, the second operator is 4, and then we put minus or subtraction. So 9 minus 4 is 5, and a program. That is for subtraction. How about multiplication? We have 12, we have 2 asterisk, so the result will be 24. 12 times 2 is 24, and a program. How about division? Let's say we have 500, and then second number is 5, and then slash for operator, the result will be 100. 500 divided by 5 is 100. Okay, so, and a program. How about if the second value is 0, first value is 0, second value we have 4, and then we divide, the result is 0. Okay guys, so I hope you have learned. So this is the end of our tutorial video on calculator in C# programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I know that you learned something new in this tutorial video. I will put a link in the video description. Kindly look at it so that you can download the complete source code for free in my 2 websites. So don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you so much for always watching my tutorial video guys. I really appreciate your support. So this is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.